Irish woman detained in US after visiting family in Ireland. Immigration controversy explained. Imagine living your whole life in a country, building a family and career, only to suddenly find yourself behind bars while just trying to visit your loved ones. That's the reality now for Cliona Ward, an Irish woman who's called the US home for over 30 years. After a recent trip to Ireland to see her ailing father, she's been caught in a legal whirlwind that's raising serious questions about immigration rules and justice. Cliona, 54, originally came to the US in her teens and has been a dedicated caregiver, looking after her son with special needs in Santa Cruz, California. She holds a green card, which makes her a legal resident. But things took a strange turn when she landed back at San Francisco International Airport. US authorities questioned her about past convictions from more than a decade ago, convictions that she says have already been erased under California law. Despite showing official proof that these charges had been expunged, Cliona was detained by ICE and is now held in Tacoma, Washington. Recently, she was transferred to a detention center outside Seattle, and her case is scheduled to go to court by May 7, leaving her family and supporters desperate for answers. Her sister, Orla Holiday, has jumped into action, setting up a GoFundMe to help cover legal costs. She shared that Cliona, though feeling down, finds solace in the support and care from other women in detention, many of whom don't speak English, but show strength through tears, hugs, and shared stories. Friends and community leaders are speaking out against what they see as an unjust use of already expunged charges to justify her detention. Among them is Congressman Jimmy Panetta from California, who condemned the situation, emphasizing that detaining a long-term resident on such grounds feels wrong, especially when she's contributed positively to her community. The detention center where Cliona is held is among the largest immigration prisons in the US, operated by a private company, GEO Group, which runs facilities and provides services nationwide. The case has sparked wider questions about immigration enforcement and the treatment of legal residents with past convictions. This story isn't just about legal technicalities. It's about a woman caught in a system that feels broken, and a community rallying to stand up for fairness and human dignity in a time where many believe politics shouldn't override compassion.